19th. You can see here on the left I have a opened calendar client. This calendar client is communicating to the event organizer dashboard for Calendar Snack. Calendar Snack is communicating to a set of APIs on the AWS Calendar Invite server, which we built. The third console over here to the right is a MailChimp campaign builder. You see it right there. And so the concept is I'm sending data from my calendar to the Calendar Snack engine, talking to the AWS Calendar Invite server, and it's going to process the data. So I've already sent one. You see it there. This basically is the same data off a personal calendar. It's been mapped to the AWS Calendar Invite server storage system. And what I'm going to do is update it. So I am going to insert a message, which is the same message you'll see here in the MailChimp campaign. The event message says, if you click to get the calendar invite, we will send you updates on the day of the game for our secret booth number to stop by and get a free NFL jersey. So the concept here is Mandy is the organizer for all three pieces of technology. She owns the personal calendar in Google Calendar. She owns a login to the Calendar Snack service talking to the AWS Calendar Invite server, and she owns the MailChimp campaign with about 100,000 names on it for her particular fan base. And so what she's doing is essentially embedding a calendar invite inside the MailChimp campaign using the R technology from the AWS Calendar Invite server. So I'm going to update this personal Google Calendar client on Mandy's, and you're going to see I'm going to send it back to the crate@calendarsnack.com. That ingests the data there. We disassemble the calendar invite and store it for reassembly. I'm going to go ahead and reflash the Calendar Snack console, and you'll see that the event message now has been updated. If you click the calendar invite, we will send you updates on the day of the game to a secret booth. So that's all in alignment. I'm going to generate the MailChimp button. I go to the RSVP button generator. I'm going to make the screen a little bigger so y'all can see it. And what I'm going to do is go down here for the 7th. And let me make the screen a little bit bigger so I can essentially go to Buffalo. So let me just type in Buffalo to go search for it. And there it is there, round 1, Buffalo Bills versus Baltimore Ravens. I'm going to view the link there. There's the API code for the RSVP button. When that button's clicked, they will get a calendar invite for that particular game, Bills versus the Ravens. I'm going to go ahead and insert this into our MailChimp campaign. I'm going to use the call to action button there. You see it. And I'm going to insert another one here. I'm inserting an embedded calendar invite for the Buffalo Bills versus the Ravens. I'm going to save it and exit. And I'm going to say send time now. And I'm going to send the MailChimp campaign out right now with the embedded calendar invite. And it's going to go out right there. And here in a second, if we're so lucky, it will reach a inbox. And I can show you all an inbox. We'll go here to mail. We'll go to Zach's inbox here. And Zach's one of the recipients downstream. And if we're so lucky, the MailChimp campaign would have been sent out. And that's the one from yesterday. So we might have to wait a second here. And if not, I'll catch you on the next video and you can see it happen there. Sometimes these MailChimp campaigns get spooled up and they take 5 minutes or so to process in the MailChimp campaign engine. Thanks for stopping by. I'll catch you on the next video and I can show you how it all works.